Disney King is sleeping. Oh, Good morning. Sawadika. Crop. Painay crop. Painay ka. Try to speak to me in Thai this time. Painay ka.
Hi, Rong Rian.
Rong Rian, going to school. Pai kin ahan cup.
Hi, King Ahan.
Kahyo, you have to practice your Thai again. It's getting weaker. Okay, lakad na tayo guys. Tayo ay kakain muna ng ating breakfast. And once again, hindi mahirap maghanap ng pagkain dito. Bukas na yung lahat. At alas 8 pa lang ng umaga. And hindi ko alam dati si Kahil, he can really speak Thai very well. Kaso pagkatapos ng 4 na taon namin sa Africa guys, lahat yun nawala. So ngayon back to zero siya. At hindi na siya kasing confident ng dati. You have to be confident, love, when you're speaking Thai. You need it. You live here, okay? Paikin ahan, cup. I will go eat my food, cup. Asan kumain sila Madam Ten Gibbs ngayon? Ayan, ayan sila. Karinderya ala Thailand. Kumain na sila guys. Ayan o. Oh.
Order na ko sa inyo, chicken fried rice.
Ayun. Huh? Guys, ganito ang process ng paggawa ng kanilang tsaa or Thai milk tea. So dito yung mainit na tubig. Then dun sa isang jar, ayan, yan yung kanilang Thai tea leaves. Lalagyan siya ng mainit na tubig, sasalain at ilalagay dito sa isa. Tara na. So punta tayo dito. Hanap tayo na makakain natin. Kasi dyan maraming baboy. So yung lutuan nila ng baboy, iisa lang. Hindi na kasi bumalik si nanay na nagluto sa amin nung unang araw namin dito. How about this one? Ano yun? Ano yun muna eh? Oh, ano yun? They have pork as well. Ha? Oh, late already. The Khao Tiao is coming late. So yan guys, ang kanilang monk. So dito ako naka-experience sa Thailand ng kauna-unahang nakakita ako ng monk. There's pork there. Ano yan lang ha?
ข้าวเหนียวปิ้งค่ะ
หมูไหม?
ไม่ครับเป็นเผือกกับกล้วย
You want this one? You want one? เท่าไหร่คะ
ชิ้นละ15 บาทค่ะ
I will try. เอา2ค่ะ
เอา
2
เผือกหนึ่งกล้วยหนึ่งนะครับหรือว่ายังไงมันมีไส้กล้วยแล้วก็มีไส้เผือก
1
อย่างละ1เนาะ
ค่ะ
ได้เลยครับ
Ito, isa sa paborito ko guys. Pili tayo ng 2 piraso muna. Au lonนะคะค่ะขอบคุณนะคะ Hold on up. Salamat po. Ito ka anak ko mo. Kabak. Okay. I told you. Go get chaya na lang muna. So, bibili muna siya ng maiinom niya doon, guys. And dito muna tayo. Baka mag-McDonald's na lang kami nito. Kasi baboy pa lahat yung mga bukas eh. Ay, meron palang halal doon na side. Dito tayo sa kabila. Buksan natin to guys. Ayan, mainit-init pa siya. Wala tayong ano, maayos na stand. Ayan na lang. Ayan. So, basically, ito ay, tawag nito, dahon ng saging. Yan, meron siyang parang ginamit. Ayan. So, ito ay, ayan ay, hindi. Ayaw lang, isa lang naglutuan. Ayan siya, guys. Basically, niluto po siya na suman or sinugbang suman. Pero eto, naamoy ko merong saging eh. Tikman natin together. Ayan siya. So, eto, masarap naman siya kahit hindi mainit. Nagbili ng chayen. Meron pala siyang ano, saging sa loob. Suman nagisugba.
Suman?
Nagisugba. Merong saging sa loob.
Then?
Patikim natin kay madam. Sarap.
Magaling.
Oh, magaling na.
Oo.
I know you'll like it. There's like a sweet thing here. Suman. Yummy? Me too, I like it.
I need to open mine.
So what did you get? Anong binili mo, anak?
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Masarap yan.
Haven't tried. This is a new one.
A new one?
Yeah. Like, a new one made from a different person. Every time I get from different places, they all taste weird. Different. This one also tastes different.
So, ngayong araw guys ay napaka-exciting dahil ngayon ay susubukan namin ang Muay Thai or Thai boxing. T-shirt at saka ano, Muay Thai shorts. Oo. And then, magpunta tayo ng Big C. Ngayon pupunta kami ng Big C. Sasamahan ko yung mga kapatid ko kasi si Madam Ten Gives ay gusto mag-grocery ng mga Thai snacks. And then, babalik kami ng Gentlewoman, yung pinakamalaking branch nila dito sa Bangkok, which is yung flagship Gentlewoman area. And tingnan natin kung ano pang magagawa natin ngayong hapon. Pero ayan si Madam Ten Gives. Ready na siya sa kanyang paglakad.
Let's go, guys!
Anong kinain mo for breakfast?
Kumain ako ng fried rice. Grabe, kahit fried rice dito masarap. Kahit nandito kami sa sidewalk.
Yes. Aloy, may
Sobrang
ha?
sarap. Aroy-aroy, mak.
Taulay ha? Magkano po?
Taulay ka, I paid 420 for all of us.
Wow.
420 baht or 840 pesos.
Nice. So, alas 9 na kami magpe-prepare na dahil kami sasakay ng tuk-tuk. Malapit lang naman dito yung ano yung gym. Ano lang siya, 5 minutes, 6 minutes away. Nandyan lang sa may kanto. Okay guys, tapos na yung ating pagkaganda-gandahan ngayon. Ang ating pagpapanggap. Kailangan na nating mag-transform. Magta-transform tayo into Nak Muay. Nak Muay o Muay Thai fighter. So magbibihis na ako. And then Kahil also will change. Kahil, tara na. Bihis na tayo, anak. Turn off the TV. Guys, and for today, ito yung gagamitin ko na bag. This is Thailand local souvenir or local souvenir bag na merong Thailand design. As you can see, gustong-gusto ko yung kulay niya. And yung pagkagawa niya matibay. Also, the handle is very good quality. Ayan. May zipper pa siya, so my things are very secure. So, I'm just gonna carry it like this. Ayan. So, I'm so excited. And I bought like, medyo madami nito para at least kung pag may gustong bumili, pwede nating ibenta. So, let's go! Ayan. Ayan. Alright. So, papunta na kami ngayon sa aming destination, isang local gym. Doon natin gagawin ang ating Muay Thai. Let's go, let's go. Ayan guys, nakaabot din kami. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Watchara Muay Thai Gym. Ating i-claim yung ating pinili sa Klook. Let's go, warm up na kayo. Go inside. Nag-start na yung klase namin guys. Kyle, come on, come on. Ayan, meron mga damit dito pang Muay Thai. Jerdry, aircon. Ate Balaling. As you can see, nag-start na po yung class. So, this is a join-in class na nakuha ko sa Klook for 400 pesos. Apat kaming nag-join. Si Kuya Kahil, ako, si Madam Ten Gibbs at ang aking kapatid. So, titingnan natin yung experience natin. Once again, this is like a no-weapon combat using only the body parts. So, share ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung magaganap at kung ano sa tingin namin yung magiging experience namin for Muay Thai or Thai boxing. Let's go! Oh, so dito pala nagte-training etong mga famous local or Muay Thai boxers. Ayan. So, bihis lang tayo. Ito muna yung suot ko ngayon. Pero magbibihis na ako ng t-shirts at saka ang aking Thai boxing shorts na nabili ko for 250 baht or 500 pesos. Let's go! Hand like this, open.
This is the second one.
เสื้อแดงไพรเวทนะเสื้อแดงที่เขาทำเป็นเด็กกับเบียไม่เป็น
Grabe, professional ka.
Professional na rin po.
Barbie Muay Thai boxer, pink na pink guys. So yan ay para protektahan yung kamay natin bago magsuot ng boxing gloves.
ให้บอสสอนแทนเสือบอสทุกวันนี้ให้เขาสอนทุกรอบ
Okay na. Dito tayo sa first time. Tinatanong nila kung saan daw yung mga first time. Kami, first time. Talagang masakit sa first time. Let's go, let's go.
Basic Muay Thai. Left hand and jab. Left jab. Left hand jab. Jab. Right one. Oh, and right. Oh, 1, 2. Left line go. 1, 2. Go. 1, 2. Go. Turn. Yeah, one go. Turn. One more. Turn. And right elbow. Yeah, right elbow. Right elbow. Yes. Left elbow. Left to left balik. Sembuhan. Left elbow. Follow me. Professional. Follow me. Professional. Right elbow. Professional. Follow me. Left elbow. Right elbow. And right knee. Right knee. When you right knee, right hand down. Right knee. Good. And right knee. And right knee. And right knee. Yes. And left knee. Flip. Left. Knee. Free hand. Left. Knee. Left. Knee. Flip. Right knee. Knee. Right knee. Knee. Yeah. And like kick. Bang. Right kick. Bang. Yes. Right kick. Bang. Like kick side like this. One. Chơi bóng có gì không? Two. Right kick. Bang. Right kick. Bang. And left kick. Sweep. Side. Left kick. Bang. And side. Turn right. Turn right. Kick. Bang. Bang. And left kick. Sweep. Right kick. Sorry. Right. Bang. Right kick. Bang. Continue. Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right elbow. Right elbow. Left elbow. Left elbow. Elbow. Okay. Right elbow. Left elbow. Right elbow. Left elbow. And right knee. Right knee.ผู้หญิงคนนี้พายเรือได้ครับพี่ครับแยกเขาไปสอนทหารเลยก็ได้ไม่มีคนดูเขาไว้นี่ไว้นี่แอนไว้คิดปังคิดปังเล็กคิดปังนี่ฮะ
Alright, the basic of Muay Thai. Basic of Muay Thai is using only our bodies, fighting with our fist, our elbow, our knees, our legs, and our feet. Ayun. So, hanap tayo ng gloves natin. Ba, aesthetic tayo ngayon, guys, ah. Thank you.
Jadi na po kay Jinjin.
Ha?
Okay guys. Ha!
magpa-vaccine. Iwan mo, te. Para mag-focus ka. Stop mo muna. Sige nga. Sige nga. Fist na, left, right. Elbow, elbow. Elbow. Elbow.
Chắp. Sắp. 1, 2. Bang. 1, 2. Sắp. Elbow. Kick. Sắp. Chắp. Go. 1, 2. Bang. Elbow.
Ay, elbow. Sorry.
And kick. Up. Elbow. Hey, kick. Sub. Go. Go. And punch. Elbow. And knee. Laban.
May laban. Tahil. Di ko kasi nadala yung stand. Oh. So mostly pala sa pumupunta dito guys, they are all beginners. Kasi nakita namin itong ino-offer sa Klook. Maganda siyang activity for a change. If gusto nyo na gumawa ng something else dito sa Bangkok other than tour or pagkain, you can try Muay Thai for beginners. And they are very good. Oh, yun na si Madam, pumasok na. $0.5 mo, te. I'm already sweating. Look at me. Naharangan ni ate. Okay, go. Kyle, your turn. Kumana ka? Goods na to. Ha? Ang brand. Tapos yung pants Lululemon. Oh! Jump! Oh! Nabay mo white tayo sa inyo, ha, Jim? Grabe yung paningot, no? Lingaw kayong bata.
Yep. Yep. Stop. Pan.
'Picture yan. Picturean mo naman.
No. Back. And only back. Pop and come here. And elbow. And
Hey, elbow.
Okay. Ready?
So many.
Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Elbow. Oh, elbow. Oh, back. Oh, and elbow. Oh, down elbow. Okay.
Pagod na ka.
1, 2. Go. Very good. Alright, speed, let's go.
Pawis na pawis ako, guys. Yan nyo naman yung pawis ko. Pag-attack. Grabe na workout. Yung workout na pang talaga siya, pang whole body. So talagang gamit na gamit lahat ng parte mo sa katawan. And then, naiintindihan ko kung bakit every 3 minutes kailangan mo mag-break. Lalo na pag beginner ka. Kasi talagang madali man siyang tingnan, mabilis man siyang tingnan, pero it's a very solid full body workout. And it's an amazing experience na hindi ko rin na-experience sa 10 taon ko dito. And I'm so happy I did finally. Kasi gusto kong maintindihan yung kultura ng Thai every time I travel here. Hindi lang sa pagkain, sa lugar, sa relihiyon nila, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang sports. And Muay Thai is the national sports of Thailand, you guys. So, it's also an amazing and a must-do kapag pumunta kayo ng Thailand. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys. And yeah, napagod ang all. Ito na yung exercise namin para sa buong linggo. Basang-basa ang na kami ng pawis, guys. Guys, nakabalik na kami. Akala nyo hindi kami makikita sa dami ng pinamili namin sa grocery, mga pagkain ng Thailand para hindi tayo hindi natin ma-miss. May binili si Kahil, patingin ng plastic. Ha? Wait, wala, hindi ako nagbili. Patingin ng plastic mo, anak, ipakita ko sa kanila. Yan. Be, may binili si Kahil dito guys, oh, na tang tattoo na snack for Halloween. Put it in your tongue and stick it on. So, tikman natin to. Ayan, sabi niya, the drawing should stick in the tongue. So, ganito ang itsura niya, para siyang paper snack. That's so cute. Come and show me. Be, show me. Wait lang. You let mommy we try. There's a tattoo. You let us Ashley try. So try natin to. Halloween tattoo.
Just stick it on your tongue. Face it downwards and then put it on your tongue. And stick it and let it go. Let it go away soon, perhaps.
Hindi man lang nagporma yung akin. Hindi nagporma ang aking web. Ay daw. Be?
It's a coffin, but it's not a coffin anymore.
It's a dead body. So, namili kami sa Big C. Si Madam Ten Gives, maraming pinamili. Ako konti lang guys. Pero pakita ko sa inyo yung mga choices ng pinamili ko, okay? Dito tayo banda kasi medyo madami na kaming gamit masyado. Kaya ano natin dito eh, set up.
Na? Na yung bubble gum.
Bili ko guys, sa Big C, dadalhin ko. Personal lang tong iba i-share natin sa kaibigan natin. At saka syempre sa mga staff natin. Ayan. First up is etong Bento Squid Snack. Ito ay actually squid flavor talaga siya guys. At napakasarap. Napaka-popular nito dito sa mga foreigners. Marami siyang level of sweet and spicy na flavoring. Ito ay super spicy. Etong black. Masarap to. Gusto ko to. Tsaka pwede mo na to siyang iulam. Ayan. So, bento. Next ko na binili is eto kasi unique siya. Sa lahat ng mga binibenta, ito lang yung nakita ko na mangosteen flavor. This is soft chewy candy. Gawa rin dito sa Thailand. And ang brand niya ay Meet My. Marami kang makikita nito. Merong saging, merong durian. Pero yung mangosteen, hindi mo masyadong makikita yan. Next is, binilan ko si Kulot at saka ang ibang kids ng Chupa Chups Cotton Candy Coca-Cola flavor. Kasi wala to sa amin sa Jensen. Ayan. So, magiging bubble gum siya. Para siyang cotton candy na nagiging bubble gum.
Bubble gum?
Yeah. Niluno ko yung akin. Niluno ko yung akin. Next is, eto naman, very cheap, very affordable, at masarap. This is Howly Yuan na brand ng chewy candy. Mura lang siya guys. Nasa 40 pesos lang to. And this is banana, taro, watermelon, strawberry. Ang dami niyang flavor. So, ibibigay ko din to sa aking mga anak at mga kaibigan. Next, I got for Chico and Kulit Kulot etong superhero lollipop with explosion in the mouth. Wala lang, para lang matikman nila. Kasi ito yung mga candy na hindi namin nabibili sa Jensen. So, strawberry flavor, Batman at saka Superman. Next is, eto. Eto, unique din to. Kasi Thai milk tea. Ang flavor niya, chewy candy pa din, pero Thai milk tea yung flavor. Ang ganda. Siyempre, ito, Thailand lang talaga ito mabibili, guys. Another thing, eto, interesting naman. This is chichirya siya, pero salted egg flavor. Yung Thailand, mahilig sila maggawa-gawa ng mga flavor nila, guys. Lahat halos ng flavor ng spices nila, ginalagay nila sa chichirya. Ganun sila kahilig sa mga spices. Pagkatapos nilang mag-dinner or kumain, kakain sila ulit ng chichirya na the same pa rin yung ginagamit nilang sangkap. Next, eto, napaka-interesting. First time ko makita. This is Oreo in Coca-Cola flavor. Hindi ko alam anong lasa. Titikman natin yan with kulit-kulot and baka magustuhan niya or hindi. Tingnan natin. Then, I got this OK Oriental na noodles na salted egg flavor. Masarap yata ito eh. Feeling ko lang kasi masarap naman yung salted egg. So, bumili lang ako ng isang pack para matikman lang siya. Then, I have another one here. Okay. Kitchen pa din, pero truffle flavor. Truffle mushroom. Tama ba? Mushroom ba yung truffle, guys? Then, etong white rabbit, guys. Napakasarap nito. Itong Thailand version. Kasi, ay hindi, China pala to. Kasi napaka-chewable niya and very milky. So, kumuha lang ako ng isa para lang pangtawid sa ating paglalaway. And lastly, I got this one, yung coin chocolate na merong butas dito. Para siyang coin bank. Kasi feeling ko mag-e-enjoy nito si Chico tsaka si Kulot pag binilang nila and then pinasok siya. Ayan, yun lang guys. Yan lang yung binili ko and ang total lahat ay nasa 900 baht or 1,800 pesos. So, mag-i-empake lang tayo syempre para hindi natin siya makalimutan. At mag-pray tayo na hindi tayo kuna ng hindi tayo tanungin ng hindi ako tanungin ng customs about dito sa mga noodles natin. Okay, time check natin, alas 3 na and mag-impake na ang all. So, see you!